think is inside?
Buzz.
Is that what you think?
Really?
Well,
You think Buzz is in there?
Let's find out.
In there? Let's see, Joel. Go ahead. Open it up.
Find out what's in there.
Ruth are minding his own business back there. Might need some help.
I got it. Thanks. Buzz! It's Buzz!
Wow!
Buzz! Buzz, Judah!
He's over here.
Judah, where? Look, Buzz!
See if press his button. See if he does anything.
He doesn't do
Look
anything.
up resource agents. They can be anywhere or anyone. Buzz Lightyear at your service. All right, Ranger. It's a code 546. Let's move. I am Buzz Lightyear, Space Ranger.
Buzz Lightyear.
Oops. Tripped over a baby. Press that red button and see if his wings go out.
Press the red button.
Red button? Okay.
The big red button.
Big red. Where's the big
That's
red
right. Yeah, push it a little harder.
This one?
No. Oh, that one does something.
Oh, laser beam. No, the big red button on his chest. Yeah, push it hard.
I can't do it.
Oh. His wings!
He's so big, you can't hold him up.
Yeah, you'll get to put it in a little bit. That's Joel's present, okay?
Hey, Joel, do you love your Buzz Lightyear?
Hey, Joel.